So sometimes good trade doesn't have to be a profitable trade, and sometimes bad trade doesn't have to be a losing trade. And so I think that's a really interesting things about trading. Okay, if you want to kill me, just kill me with one shot. Just don't drag it out like these. Okay, so I'm taking my daughter to the library again, and so I'm just going to give a quick update on my trade. So last week just said the market just shot up, and so I feel like the market's momentum is slowing down, and so you can see there's a lower high and lower low. And this morning I was waiting for market to break below and close below today's anchor VWAP, and so sure enough the market break below and close below. I was waiting and I see the market retrace back to that resistance level, so I entered the short. And so let's see how this trade play out, and I'm going to share with you what my feeling when I'm holding on the trade. And so yeah,
in love, and we thought that nothing could ever keep us from partying.
okay, it's getting really cold where I live right now. And it's, right now it's like snowing / raining, and so I'm just out here walking with my daughter, and it's just like right now I have to put my glove on, and she look like a burrito right now. But it's I feel just like we need to just like get her out. I don't know how long I can take walk like this, but I will just do it as long as I can. And this morning I placed a short trade. So right now the market is approaching my stop loss, getting really close. So I'm not going to do anything, and because the old me might want to just add on some more position just to break even when the market come down a little bit. But I found that it's not really profitable. It's just because if I add more position, and I tend to move my stop loss, so to kind of compensate with my big position. But it always end up like horrible. But so that's why just like I just want to just hold on to it. But yeah, so I'm going to give you an update at night to see how it goes. Okay, so it's end of the day. I'm about to go to bed right now. Just going to give you a quick update on the trade I placed this morning. And so right now it's like the market is getting really close to my stop loss. So I have to really control myself to move my stop loss, because that's what I used to do, but I try really hard to overcome that. And so if you have the same issue, to move the stop loss and let me know. This trade is pretty much dead to me, and so I don't really have a lot of hope unless the market break below and close below this anchor VWAP. I think I'm going to hold on to the trade and just to see if the market going to break below, and yeah, but I'm not going to do anything until the market give me either hit my stop loss or break below and close below. For this particular trade, I can say I'm doing pretty well, and because I follow my rules, I hold on to the trade when I'm supposed to. But yeah, so I'm going to maybe just in the morning after the New York Open, I'm going to give you another update. Cool, stay tuned. Okay, so to my surprise, and the market didn't really get to my stop loss, and so it's I was happy, but at the same time I was a little bit annoying, because it's almost like if you want to kill me, just kill me with one shot. Just don't drag it out like these, because even though the market come down, we just it closed below the yesterday's anchor VWAP, but at the same time it just it didn't really break down enough to make the direction of the market. So right now it's kind of just like I said earlier, just we back to square one. So the market is testing the anchor VWAP and create a lower high, but haven't have enough momentum to break the low yet. And so we just have to hold on to it and see how the market goes. Yeah, I never really get used to it. I think that's just a challenge to be a swing trader, and you just have to wait it out and to be patient. Because I just went through that preparation, that, like I said, I'm going to get stopped out, so I was ready for that. So seeing the market in just like from like a close to stop out to right now in the money, and it's really tempting to just like get out of the trade altogether. And so either way, I have to kind of fight my natural instinct, because I know if I just close out the trade, I'm not really follow my plan. It might be the right move, because the market might go ahead and create another high and stop me out eventually. So sometimes good trade doesn't have to be a profitable trade, and sometimes bad trade doesn't have to be a losing trade. And so I think that's a really interesting things about trading. And so right now I'm just trying to do the right things and to just see how the market going to play out, because the reason why I entered the trade and is the market break below and close below that anchor VWAP, and my stop loss is on the previous high and give it a little bit more room. And so the fact the market haven't stopped me out, it just saying just like I haven't lose the reason for me to stay in the trade, and I just have to just like keep holding on to it. And so I will give you guys so I will just like so I feel so this video is all about this one trade. So I think I will just do my conclusion after I close the trade. And so I'm not sure, hopefully sometime this week, and I can just close the trade and just give you guys a report on how I feel and how the trade plays out. The third day to hold on to that trade is pretty interesting, because the market tried to take a nosedive and try to break the support, but it failed and created this huge wick. And but I'm still hold on to it, because it's still below that anchor VWAP. And yeah, it just with the swing trading, that's just something you have to deal with. You might say just oh, if I get out when the market just diving down, and I can be making profit right now. Yeah, you're right. But it's kind of defeat the whole purpose of doing the swing trading, because I want my time and I want the freedom to just set it and just let the market do its things. And I wish we can have the trade close before the weekend, so I can just get this video out. But who knows? We will see how it goes. So let me know if you are doing the swing trading or you're doing the day trading. How do you like it, and what kind of challenge you are facing? So yeah, just comment down below and we can talk. Okay, so let's do a quick recap for this week's trade. And today, finally, the market just break down below. So when the market get to this weekly open, I was tempted to just close the trade. My goal for this trade, I was hoping the market can get back to the starting point at this 87,000. And so sure enough, the market just retraced back and have this huge wick, and then the market just take another nosedive. Then right now the market is in consolidation, so I moved my stop loss and to these resistance levels. So it's above the anchor VWAP, and so this is my weekly anchor VWAP, and so it's right above it. So I think there's a good chance I will get stopped out, but I lock in about a 3.5% profit. And so I will be happy either way. I could exit somewhere down here, so that's about a 1 to 2% profit. And so it's kind of just are you willing to give up about like a 1 or 2% profit to get like a potential bigger gain. And so I don't think there's a right or wrong answer, but it's just kind of just like a preference. And so you just have to kind of understand the consequence. If I exit right here, then if the market just take another nosedive, are you going to be okay with that? So this is the trade I'm going to hold on over the weekend to see how things going. But as you can see, just like I have a negative 1.26% loss on Monday and Tuesday, because I cashed that rally up, so I make like about like 7.83%, and so in total it's about like 6.57%. With the profit I lock in, so it's about like 3%. So I'm okay with 9% a week. And so maybe it's not like too appealing to you, but just like if I can consistently make this profit, I'll be happy. So like I said earlier, just a lot of time I feel like the last trade I place, the more profitable I am. And so yeah, so just like this is the beauty of the swing trading. You just have to do the right things and just let the market play out. So you will have a time and energy to do other things, so you're not going to be tied down to the screen. So I think I'm going to just keep doing my trade review, and so that's kind of keep me in check, and also just I can just share my thought and what I learned in trading. And yeah, so just let me know how your week's doing. And so if you see this video in the future, comment down below to say if I got stopped out from this trade or not, or I make another 5%. Who knows? Just let me know from the future. So yeah, so just this is what happened this week, and this trade is pretty emotional, dragging to me, because and I feel like there's one thing you have to deal with when the market get close to your stop loss, and also when the market is in the money but it's not yet for you to take profit. And there's several times, especially like this week is all just like I want to get out, and but I kind of just control myself not to do that. I feel like there's a different temptation on either side, and so it's not easy to overcome that, but I did pretty good this week. And let me know if you have more challenge on when the market get close to your stop loss, or it's get close to your take profit, which one is more challenge. So yeah, so hopefully I can keep this going, and to share my trade and my thought process and my feeling, and I will talk to you next week. See ya.